Okay, so we've just finished up our little photo shoot at Coconut Hill here in Marissa. There it is there, as you can see behind us. If you are not following us on Instagram yet, go ahead and do so here. Do it here. Here is our handle. Go there, go there. Okay, so this laundry service here, Wave Wash, is down the road from our accommodation.
Wave.
And they came and picked it up, included in the cost, and they're going to come and drop it off. All of the communication is through WhatsApp. It's 800 rupees a kilo, which is, I think, is a pretty standard cost, but lovely people. The wife does the washing and the husband does the tuk-tuk driving. And we're coming out of Coconut Hill and he was there, and he just stopped and had a chat with us and recommended some great places to go, which is amazing to hear from a local's point of view. We also have one of our really good friends back home. His name is, we call him Kevin, but it's like Kavisha. I'm sorry, Kevin, if I've pronounced that wrong, but he also lives here in Sri Lanka, in Mount Lavinia near Colombo. So it's nice to be in this country and feel a little bit more connected to him, and it's cool to experience how nice these like real local people are.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it is bloody warm, tell ya. Struggling in this heat, man.
It's good.
Struggling being sick and being in this heat.
Yeah, that sucks.
So what we're off to now is, when you are in Marissa, a really cool thing to see is a little island called Parrot Rock. I'm gonna say island, they call it a rock, but you get to it from the beach. The problem is that I'm finding personally here in Sri Lanka, the difference between going to the beach in Australia and going to the beach here is the Australian beaches, they are so easy to access. So you find the beach and there's always a car park, right? There's always a car park, or there's always a place to park. Here in Sri Lanka, the beach accesses are absolutely hidden because they've built in front of it, and you can't access it from those businesses unless you pay to go in. So like, if it's a restaurant, you have to pay to eat there. If it's a car park, you have to pay to park your tuk-tuk there. Like, it's very different.
Yeah, I mean, there is access points and bigger
you just
ones
gotta bloody
in
find
certain
them.
areas. No, some are very small.
You need a bloody magnifying glass to find those access points.
Some are like that, but others not so much. I know that there's a massive one where we're going now, and it's very open.
Okay.
But I think you're getting the point. Like, they've built all restaurants and hotels and villas, etc., in front of the beach.
Yeah.
So then to access it, you have to go through and purchase something, which is clever. It's very clever.
It's a bit inconvenient.
There's always a way to get to the beach though without doing that. You just got to find the way.
Yeah, it's alright if you're a local and you know the way. Not for this bloody white guy. It doesn't know how to get there. Anyway.
Bus. Truck.
Anyway, we're gonna go and check out this bloody rock.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I think we might have found it.
No, it's here or down there though.
Let's go have a look.
The tide's not out just yet.
So we want to go there. We cannot climb all the way there.
Well, we can, but someone's not up for it.
I'm not answering that. Alright, turns out all we had to do was chuck a right instead of a left, and we are basically walking on the esplanade.
Yeah.
How good.
See? Told you could walk along here.
That's a lie. No, you didn't.
Technically I did, but technically I said on the top of the rock.
God help me.
Yeah, maybe it's stop. Looks a little perilous, but I think we'll be alright. such a cute little island, I guess. I guess you call it an island. It's super small and there's a little pass through like little, feels like the jungle a little bit. It's super tiny, but it's beautiful. And there's not many people and all you can hear is the birds and the ocean. So it's away from that hustle and bustle from all the tuk-tuks and the town, but it's so lovely. One thing that there is not on this mini island is a parrot. There's one parrot though.
Where?
Right here. But there's no parrots here, even though it's called Parrot Rock. There's only crows. Maybe they should call it Crow Rock. Or maybe it's just the wrong season. Or maybe it's just, they just thought it was a pretty name.
There's a bin chicken here though.
You're looking at it, right? You need to be very quiet. I'm about to get this parrot in his natural habitat. Check him out. He's waving because he's trying to mate. That's his calling sign. What? It's your mating sign.
So strolling down the beach, and we've arrived just in time for the turtle releasing. Check this out.
A nie podejdziesz do tamtego typa i go nie poprosisz? No ja już bym tam podszedł w jego okolice, no ale jak chcesz.
This is going to be pretty special.
Good evening guys, good evening all of you, and welcome to the Sri Lanka Coast Guard Turtle Conservation Project. So I know that you are very eagerly waiting here. Today we are going to release 772 baby turtles back to ocean. So it's kind of, it's been a while we are releasing such a huge amount, because every day we are releasing nearly 200, 300 turtles. Today we got 772. So we started this project in 2016. From 2016 we collected more than 270,000 turtle eggs, and we released nearly 160,000 baby turtles back to ocean. Along this year, first 3 months, we have collected more than 18,000 turtle eggs and released more than 12,000 baby turtles back to ocean. So the turtle season, starting from the October, it will end at the mid of May to the southern beaches in Sri Lanka.
Okay, so now we have formed two lines,
that is how their nesting
and right through the middle is where they're going to release these turtles. So
772 today.
That's a lot.
And they only usually have
per 100 there's a 5%,
300.
and the per 100 is a 5% survival rate.
Yeah, and usually they only have 200 to 300 that hatch, but today they've had a lot, so it's a pretty significant day.
So can't wait to watch this.
I've always wanted to see that happen. And we saw 772 of them get released into the ocean. Like,
They
what
all made it.
a surreal moment. I can't believe the timing.
Yeah.
Absolute timing.
Absolutely unreal.
Yeah.
They all made it into the ocean. Now it's up to them if they're going to survive.
Yeah.
Like I said, there is a very, very low survival rate of these turtles making it
To live. Their life.
I think 1 in 100 lives to 20 years.
Something like that. Yeah.
So whatever the statistics is very, very low.
Yeah.
But
But yeah.
Incredibly lucky to be in Sri Lanka at that time.
Yeah, I know. We are currently on Marissa Beach, by the way. We are probably halfway, we're probably in the middle. You can't miss it. There's a big conservation turtle sign. And if you look beyond the signs, you can see where they've buried all of the eggs, and that's where they all hatch up when they're ready to be hatched. So
Yep.
if you're here, absolutely come check it out. The season is between October and the end of May.
Yeah.
So I think all year round of that's when turtles are laying and they're hatching.
Good luck, turtles.
Good luck, turtles.